Rolling a covered call when they go in the money is the #1 mistake that I see traders make when they're selling covered calls for income. If you sold a covered call and the stock rips through your strike price, and now you're wondering, should I buy that call back and sell another one with a higher strike price and further out? The answer is a big fat no. And in this video, I'm gonna show you exactly why rolling your covered call is the biggest mistake that you can make. It quietly kills your returns and sets you up for long-term disaster. I'm gonna show you the exact 3-step play that I use when my trades go way over my strike price. Now this video is short because it's super simple stuff. Other YouTubers tell you to roll your calls, but they're wrong. They're YouTubers who make videos to be successful on YouTube. I'm the opposite. I've been trading for 29 years and I'm making YouTube videos to help you be more successful. That is the difference. And that's a fact. Let's break it down. Now, real quick, when I say rolling a covered call, here's what I mean. You sold a covered call with a strike price over what you paid for the shares. The stock rips higher, which means that if it stays up there, you're gonna have your shares called away. Now you're thinking, I probably shouldn't have sold that covered call because I could have made more. You're thinking, what if I bought that call back and sold another one at a higher strike price further out? I would net more money. Now, on the surface, that might sound smart. You net more money, you keep your shares, and you might make more money in the future. What's not to like? I'll tell you what's not to like. Almost everything. Here's the thing that nobody tells you. When you buy your call back, you're paying more for what you received in premium when you initially sold it because the stock went way higher. That creates a net realized loss. That hits your bottom line. Yes, you can sell another call, but what you're doing is you're extending the duration of the trade. You're tying up your money for more time, hoping and praying that the stock stays higher. Well, guess what? Hope and prayer is not a strategy. It just isn't. The trade already did what it was designed to do. It's a winning trade. You bought shares here, you sold a covered call for higher than what you paid, the stock went up, you sell your shares, you make the capital gain, and you keep 100% of the premium. You stacked both wins. It's a winning trade. Why would you turn that in to maybe make more money in the future? Now, you are either a stock trader and you buy stock and you hope and pray for it to go up and then sell it at some future time to capitalize on that gain, or you're an income trader where you trade options for income, weekly income, so you can live an amazing lifestyle. If you're trading stock, hoping and praying that it goes up to make money, this channel is not for you. If you're trading for income and you want to change your lifestyle, you want to lock in incremental gains as you go, this is where you want to learn. Let me say it like this. An income strategy is designed like a wheel. And like a wheel, it's round. It's designed to cycle. You sell a put, you get assigned, you sell a covered call, you get your shares called away, you sell another put, rinse and repeat over and over again. This stuff should be kind of boring when you're doing it correctly. If you want excitement, it's not trading options. If you want excitement, go bungee jumping. If you want excitement, go skydiving. If you want excitement, go scuba diving. If you want consistent weekly income, you do it like this, the strategies I teach on this channel. Okay, so here's exactly what I do when I get my shares called away. 3 simple things. Ready? Choice 1. You sell another put on the same ticker with a lower strike. Listen, stocks go up and they go down. You can get back in at the same price or maybe lower. Just be patient. Option number 2. Now, if the stock went way up, you might just want to wait that ticker out because like I said, stocks go up and they go down. That's the nature of a stock. Be patient. Trading for income is not about just stuffing trades in. Be patient and wait for a dip on that ticker. Or option 3, trade a different ticker. Listen, don't you trade about 5 tickers in your portfolio? There is no shortage of stocks. There is no shortage of setups. There is no shortage of trades that you can take to make income all the time. I give you so many examples here on this channel. So it all comes down to a one-liner to remember, and it's so easy. Don't roll your winning covered call. That's it. Let your shares get called away. Take the win, the capital gain win, the premium win. Wait for a dip and sell another put. Now, if you want to see me do this live, check out my live stream. I'm here on YouTube every single weekday at noon Pacific, where I trade a real account and walk through all this stuff step by step. If you want the tools that I use in my trades, check out the Cressivo Pro app. The link is in the description. It will totally blow your mind. It not only helps you find a trade, but also manage the trade. And the best part, you can sync your broker dealer so you can actually understand what you're doing right and what you're doing wrong, so you can change the wrong stuff. And we have office hours every Saturday morning at 9 a.m. for Cressivo Pro members, where we walk through all the features and answer your questions live. And if you want one-on-one help, check out my mentorship program. It's designed to pay for itself in multiples. Anyway, I hope this stuff helps. If you liked the video, smash the like button. Be sure to subscribe to the channel because I'm putting up videos all the time and you don't want to miss one. Thanks for watching and happy trading.